Forget everything you know about gym bros, because winning an arm wrestling match has less to do with brute strength and more to do with pure physics. Instead of pushing down, you actually want to use your shoulder strength to pull down on their hand. Start by putting your dominant foot forward and jamming your hip right up against the table to maximize your leverage. Keep your upper arm centered and close to your body, aiming for your thumb to be directly in front of your nose like a built-in compass. When you lock hands, grip with your knuckles as high as possible to steal the upper hand before the match even begins. The second it starts, curl your palm inward toward your face to totally weaken their wrist. If they happen to be an absolute beast, don't panic. Just drop your wrist back, put on a confident poker face, and let them tire themselves out. Once they start to sweat, execute a top roll by pulling your hand closer to your body, sliding your palm to the top of their hand, and forcing their wrist back. To finish the match, rotate your entire body, drive your shoulder toward the table, and use your full body weight to force their hand down for the win. Best of luck.